PowerShell GPT is a Windows application that allows you to speak to ChatGPT in over 80 languages. Are you receiving this text in my language? Not only can you just have casual conversations, you can use ChatGPT to control your PC.
¿Estás recibiendo este texto en mi idioma?
Commands can be saved with vocal triggers in any of the supported languages, allowing them to be executed just by saying their name.
هل تتلقى هذا النص بلغتي؟
This multilingual functionality is not just limited to PowerShell GPT's voice recognition feature, but is extended throughout the application.
您收到的是我的语言的文本吗？
You can name your PowerShell GPT agent using characters from Cyrillic, Arabic, Greek, Devanagari, Chinese, Hangul, and many more.
Вы получаете этот текст на моем языке.
This feature allows you to activate your voice recognition using a name in your preferred language.
Erhalten Sie diesen Text in meiner Sprache?
Command aliases support multiple languages, allowing you to set up commands in one language and use aliases in another.
Recevez-vous ce texte dans ma langue?
This flexibility ensures you can interact with the system in the language you're most comfortable with.
Czy otrzymujesz tę wiadomość w moim języku?
PowerShell GPT's full Unicode support enables seamless interaction across various languages.
Ontvang jy hierdie teks in my taal?
Whether you're setting command aliases, naming agents, or scripting, you can do so in your language of choice, ensuring a more intuitive and personalized experience.